Right, hi there. So today we're going to be doing some cutting on the mostly printed CNC router, and here I've got Easel loaded up, and as you can see there I've got a catapult shaped object which I'm going to be cutting out, and I've got this piece of old, I think it's birch plywood, I'm not sure. It's 18mm thick, so we'll be testing it out. So I've got a 3.175 N mil there. Okay, so let's get to cutting this thing out and see what it turns out like. Okay, so I'm going to turn the spindle on and then start the program on the computer. Okay, so I give it a light sanding and I put a band on there. Let's see if it shoots. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please comment, thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.